Breakfast 1. Avocado and Egg Toast. First, toast 1 or 2 slices of whole grain bread until they are golden brown. Next, mash half an avocado with a fork and spread it evenly over the toast. Add a little salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes if you like. Now, cook 2 eggs the way you like, such as fried, poached, or scrambled. Place the eggs on the top of the avocado toast and your breakfast is ready. Breakfast 2. Greek Yogurt and Berry Parfait. Take a bowl or a glass and add 3/4 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt. Now add half a cup of fresh berries such as strawberries, blueberries or raspberries. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts, almonds or low sugar granola on top. If you want a sweeter taste, add 1 teaspoon of honey. Your healthy yogurt parfait is ready to eat. Breakfast 3. High protein overnight oats. Take a jar or a container, add half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Now add half a scoop of vanilla protein powder or 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Mix everything well. Close the jar and keep it in the refrigerator overnight. The next morning, eat it cold or heat it in the microwave for about 1 minute before eating. Breakfast 4. Veggie Scramble. Heat 1 teaspoon of olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add a handful of chopped spinach and some chopped tomatoes. Cook the vegetables for about 2 minutes until they become soft. Beat 2 eggs in a bowl. Pour the eggs into the pan and gently stir until they are fully cooked. Serve the veggie scramble with a few apple slices or a small orange on the side. Breakfast 5. Nut butter and banana toast. Toast 1 slice of a whole wheat bread. Spread 1 or 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter or almond butter on the toast. Place sliced banana on top. Sprinkle a little cinnamon over the banana. Your quick and healthy breakfast is ready to enjoy.